Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable disk-to-disk system recovery on ACER Predator 17. To do it, you need to be in the BIOS, which is entered with the F2 key, and if you don't understand how you can watch a video on our channel on it, once that's done, go to the main tab and then find D2D recovery. Now, once it's enabled, you'll be able to click on Alt and F10 on your keyboard during startup of your laptop, and that'll let you use the Acer disk-to-disk system recovery. So if on like another disk you have system recovery data, then it'll let you recover from that using this option. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.